my name's Max and I'm from Lotions and Lotions. I received a parcel today from Windy Point Soapmaking Company and I'm actually really excited about it. So I thought I'd share and do an unboxing video. I buy a lot of my products from Windy Point for making my bath bombs and lotions, and I'm hoping to expand and do other things too. I tried things myself and with friends and get them to test them out for me, and we all see what we think of them, and that's kind of fun. So if you ever want to be a tester, let me know. Okay, without further ado, and I'm just to make it clear, I'm not sponsored by anybody. I just like the products over at Windy Point. So okay, to start off, everything is very nicely packaged, and because they package it so nicely and tightly, it's going to take a lot of time to unpackage everything and show you. So what I'll do is I'll take it out, tell you what it is, and then I'll unwrap them and show you later in the video what the bottles and the jars look like. Okay, so we will start with this stuff here. This is French green clay for making masks. I have some kaolin clay, but I wanted to try the French green. This is rose water. It's a liter of rose water. I love rose water in my lotion, my personal lotion. Holy man, it's got a beautiful smell. It's nice and light. And then I add some geranium essential oil to it. And it's got this beautiful fragrance, nice and light and floral without being overpowering. So that's my floral water. Oh, here's my different colors. I have quite a few of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different small colors. You know what? That's all I have really, except for, and some big ones, is mica. So what I'm gonna do is take all these out. Oh, right. Okay, I'm gonna put the box down. These guys are all mica, which is what you use to color the bath bombs. And this is mica too, and I'll open them up. This here, I believe, is the stuff that I was looking for to make new hair conditioner. I'm kind of excited about it. I forget what it's called though, it's got an interesting name. Dimethicone 350, and it's really, it makes your hair shiny and it makes everything feel slick and lovely and when you're in the water. And the other thing here is called GeoGuard, and that's a natural preservative that I put in the lotions so they don't get moldy and funky. And then they last a little longer, and you don't have to keep them in your refrigerator like I used to have to do. I used to recommend everybody keep them in the refrigerator, and then they'd be kind of hard when they pulled them out, and it didn't spread as nicely. So the addition of GeoGuard. Okay, now I'm going to show you the different colors that I bought too, if you're keen. I'm going to maybe move the camera and put a little closer so you can see everything as I unwrap it. How's that sound? Okay. Okay, I am back, and hopefully you are up close and can see everything nicely. Like I said, I bought some GeoGuard, that is a preservative, some dimethicone 350 for my conditioners that I'm going to make in the future. This guy here, I believe, is a rose water, and that's what I ordered. And it says, I can make it out through the packaging, it says floral water. So I'm going to very carefully, good thing I have a sharp knife, eh? Open this guy up. I like the way they package everything so beautifully for transport. Kudos, whoever does this, the packet. Yeah, it's a liter of rose water. Okay. And now I'm going to unpack the two biggest micas. Black and red in here, I think. Romantic, oh, magic red and silver gray mica. Those are nice colors, eh? You can see the powder inside. That silver gray, I'm just really looking forward to seeing what it does to the bath bombs. Some of the, I bought actually bought an air gun so I could paint the bath bombs with these micas. And that's the point of buying so many of them. I have eggplant. Ooh, that's a pretty pink. A dark green, another magic red. I did that by accident. Copper, that's a nice copper. Wow. And a beautiful yellow. Okay, more. Here we go. Now we have, ooh, that was fun. More, oh, we have black. We have a darker yellow. We have bronze, fuchsia, and what do you, mauve. Oh, and a bright gold. Oh, those are nice. Wow, I like those. Okay. Next up, we have more designs. Ooh, okay. We've got fresh green, jade green, flash blue, blue green, blue violet, and what are you? You are, ooh, golden peach. That'll be nice. I make peach scented bath bombs, and that's actually a lovely color to go with that one. Okay, one more to go. I'm going to toss these. I'll find my knife. One more to go. Ooh, I like these colors too. Way to go, Indie Points. The prices are pretty good too. I think it was, each of these were about $6 or $7. So that's, oh no, $4.50. Holy crap, that's really good. $4.50. And that'll last a while because these colors last quite a while. So we've got magic violet, mermaid green. Oh, I've got a mermaid tail mold coming, so I can't wait to try that. Cobalt blue, red blue. Ooh, that looks cool. White diamonds and gingerbread. So I'm gonna lay all this out and take a video of it so you can see what I bought. A quick little pan across. But that is my order from Windy Point Soapmaking Company. Okay, here are all the micas taken out of the bag so you can see the colors, how bright they are a little bit better. There's some really gorgeous ones that I'm excited to try in here, that magic violet and the cobalt blue and all those. But there's two especially that I really want to try is this mermaid green. And then there is, oh, that's a beautiful blue-green, isn't it? And this red blue. I just thought it was so cool. And you can't see, I wish you could see better in here. But it turns from red, flashes back from red to blue. And here are my other things, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Take care.